2L square root W plus X over M, solving for W. Let's just circle the variable we're isolating. It happens to be W here. And we're going to follow the order of operations backwards, Sam and Deb. I'm going to rewrite this really quickly because we don't see square roots here. But we can rewrite square root as exponent 1/2. Okay? And if we take a look at the order of operations, it says that we're to do the contents of brackets last. So we need to see about W, if there's any operations to W outside the brackets that include subtraction and addition, and no, there isn't. It's simply being multiplied by 1 over 2L. So that's this step here. To remove the 1 over 2L, we're going to divide by 1 over 2L. And that's going to be 1. In order to keep our equal sign, we need to divide the other side by 2L. And now what we have is F over 1 over 2L equals bracket W plus X over M 1/2. No more multiplication or division happening outside the brackets of W, but we do have the exponent 1/2. The opposite operation to square root is to square. So we'll just square this. And if we do that to the right side, we need to do that to the left side as well. So we have F over 1 2L all squared equaling W plus X over M. We can put the brackets in, but there's no operations outside the brackets. However, we do have a division bar. And it's understood that when you have a division bar, there's a set of brackets around the numerator and a set of brackets around the denominator. So, although the order of operation states that we're to deal with subtraction and addition happening to W first, it's inside a set of brackets. So in fact, we get to take care of the X last. What we have to deal with first is actually the divide by M. So to deal with the divide by M, we're going to multiply both sides by M. Now M divided by M is 1, so that leaves us with M times F over 1 over 2L squared equaling W plus X. Now, there's no more brackets. In fact, it's just W plus X. So we can just deal with this plus X by subtracting X from both sides. Now, X minus X is 0. That leaves us with M F 1 2L all squared minus X equaling W. Left side equals right side, so we write as W equals M bracket F over 1 over 2L all squared minus X. Final answer. However, some people don't like this this fraction written with a fraction denominator. So let's see if we can deal with that. So W equals M bracket F. And this time, instead of writing this division bar, I'm going to write the division sign. 1 over 2L all squared minus X. So this is F divided by 1 over 2L. I can rewrite F as F over 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself. But this allows me to multiply these two fractions. Is when we see the division sign, what we'll do is we'll change it to a multiplication sign and taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. And we get W equals M, numerator is F 2L over 1 squared minus X. W equals M, and the square is applying just to the F2L. So this works out to be F2L times F2L minus X. F times X is F squared, 2 times 2 is 4, and L times L is L squared minus X. W equals, now we're going to write this in the proper order, coefficient at the front, then we go alphabetically, F2L L squared m minus x. So we have this form, this solution, or I'll take this fraction solution as well.